Sit comfortably, relax and close your eyes. Breathe in and breathe out slowly and relax all the muscles on your forehead, shoulders, arms and legs, stomach and back. Just relax with every exhale. And just be aware of your breath and let everything else fade away. Be aware of the sounds in your environment, and that will also help you to go deeper into self-awareness, breath awareness. Let a wave of relaxation spread all over the body, relaxing every muscle. And bring your attention to the way you are sitting, to the root chakra, and then connect to the earth. Think of the center of the earth and think that, like a tree, there are roots going into the earth, and you're connected to the earth and getting earth energy. And connect to the universe and get the universal energy, the Reiki, healing all your chakras from both ways. It's a powerful, electrifying energy which is charging, balancing all the chakras. And bring your attention to the throat chakra. Where your attention goes, energy flows. And the throat chakra is cleansed and balanced. And a beautiful blue light, light blue light, is pulsating and vibrating the throat chakra, healing it of all abnormalities of the past and developing those wonderful qualities and abilities that the throat chakra brings. Ability to speak the truth appropriately to anyone, anywhere. Ability to express yourself, your thoughts, feelings, emotions. Being a master communicator. You are amazing in your relationship with other people because your communication is amazing. Your voice is heard and you know what to say, how to say, when to say. Your throat chakra is healed. You are able to express your heart's desires, feelings, thoughts easily to anyone. You can find the right words at the right time. This chakra is now balanced, and all the qualities associated with this is available to you. You are easily understood. And you are appropriate in your communication. You are tactful and strategic in your communication. You can vocalize and express your thoughts and emotions and point of view. When you speak, people listen, and you speak in a way which is clear and persuasive. Your contributions are appreciated by everyone. You're honest and balanced in your speaking. You find the right words for the situation, and you have the ability to get things done through your communication. And you're understood completely by others. You are also very creative in your communication. Relax. Thank yourself. Thank the universe. Thank Mother Earth. And slowly open your eyes.